Daily Kids News. Daily Kids News. Daily Kids News. Daily Kids News.
Hi, Big Brain families. Today's episode is a space special. We're talking about astronauts doing careful repair work outside the International Space Station, a solar eclipse that families could watch safely through NASA coverage, and a new space telescope being prepared for launch. As always, we'll keep our curiosity big, our facts careful, and our eyes safe when the sun is involved. Our first story floats about 250 miles above Earth, where the International Space Station circles our planet again and again. NASA said 2 astronauts were scheduled for a spacewalk on Thursday, August 13th, to replace a space-to-ground antenna on the station. That may sound like a small part, but antennas are very important. They help the space station and mission control share information, including data and high-speed messages. Think of the station like a science lab flying around Earth. Astronauts do experiments, check equipment, and talk with teams on the ground. To do all that well, the station needs strong communication systems, kind of like how a video call works better when the connection is clear. A spacewalk is when astronauts leave the inside of the station while wearing special spacesuits. Those suits are like tiny personal spacecraft. They give astronauts air to breathe, protect them from the extreme temperatures of space, and help them move safely while they work outside. NASA's preview described this as a planned upgrade, not an emergency. The goal was to keep the orbiting lab ready to send and receive important information as it travels around Earth. So the big idea is this. Space exploration is not only rocket launches and faraway planets. Sometimes it is careful maintenance, tightening, replacing, checking, and upgrading, so people in space and people on Earth can keep working together.
Hey kids, it's Big Brain with your daily scoop. Today, brains can control your body. Watch this. Whoa, my arms are off. Come back here, you. I guess they have a mind of their own.
Our next story is about the sun, the moon, and a very important safety rule. NASA highlighted live coverage of the August 12th total solar eclipse, giving families a safe way to watch views from places along the eclipse path. A total solar eclipse happens when the moon lines up between Earth and the sun just right. From some places on Earth, the moon appears to cover the sun. That sounds amazing, and it is. But here is the safety part. Looking directly at the sun can hurt your eyes. Regular sunglasses are not enough protection. Eclipse viewers need special solar eclipse glasses or other approved safe methods. Watching a NASA live stream is one safe way to enjoy the event without looking at the sun yourself. Here is a simple way to picture it. Hold a small ball in front of a lamp. If the ball lines up just right, it can block the light from reaching part of the wall behind it. In space, the moon is the smaller object, the sun is the giant bright object, and Earth is where we watch the shadow move. Not everyone sees the same eclipse in the same way. Only people in certain places are in the path where the sun can be fully covered. Other people may see a partial eclipse, and many people may not see it directly at all. That is why live streams can be so helpful. They let skywatchers share the experience from safe viewing locations. The big idea. Eclipses show us that the solar system is always moving, lining up, and changing our view from Earth.
Okay, kids, time for the next story!
Our final story is about a new space telescope getting ready for a big trip. NASA reported that the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope was fueled as teams prepared it for a late August launch. Fueling is one of the important steps before a spacecraft can leave Earth. It does not mean launch has already happened. It means teams are getting the telescope ready for launch day. The Roman Space Telescope is designed to help scientists study faraway galaxies, planets beyond our solar system, and big mysteries about the universe. Planets beyond our solar system are called exoplanets. They orbit other stars, the way Earth orbits the sun. Space telescopes are special because they can observe the universe from above much of Earth's atmosphere. Our atmosphere is wonderful. It gives us air to breathe and helps protect life, but it can also blur or block some kinds of light from space. A telescope in space can collect clues that are harder to see from the ground. Roman is named for Nancy Grace Roman, an astronomer who helped make space telescopes possible. She is often called the Mother of Hubble because of her important work supporting the Hubble Space Telescope. When a mission is preparing for launch, engineers move carefully. They test, check, fuel, and recheck. Space missions are complicated, so schedules can change, and teams watch conditions closely. The big idea? Before a telescope can help us explore deep space, many people on Earth have to do careful, step-by-step work to get it ready. That's it for today's Big Brain Space Roundup. We learned that antennas help astronauts stay connected, eclipses are amazing but require serious eye safety, and space telescopes need lots of careful preparation before they can explore the universe. Keep asking big questions, keep looking for reliable answers, and we'll see you next time.
See you tomorrow. Row.